Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to choose who can message you on Messenger. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, click on the menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen, tap on settings at the top. Scroll down and click on privacy and safety. Scroll down to who can reach you and tap on message delivery. Choose who can message you. Here you have two options, friends of friends on Facebook or others on Facebook, so click on the relevant one. And here you can choose from three options, deliver requests to chats, message request, or don't receive requests. Select the relevant one, tap on update or don't update settings. Go back and you can do the same to the other option as well. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.